Back at Lake Moraine in the daytime. Super nice. Used to be a seabed. You can see the ripples in the rock. Up the stairs at the top of Moraine Lake. Lake Moraine is surrounded by 10 peaks. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Water coming down, snow coming down.
Where?
Right there, in the middle.
Oh, avalanche. Look at that. That is an avalanche. Look at that. What?
Yeah.
Yep, that's wacky. Little glacier up there.
This is my absolute favorite lake so far that we've seen.
Same here. The avalanche is just waiting to happen up there. So green, or so, I don't even know, aqua.
Turquoise.
Baja Blast. Cake and a muffin. Delicious. Hey, birdie. Some other entomologists at the station restaurant. Casual dinner in a train car. So that's it for today. Good walk and hike. Tomorrow is some more walking around Lake Louise and I think on the Great Divide Trail. Cool.